Hey there, fellow content creators and aspiring YouTubers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an absolute game changer for you. A step-by-step guide on how to make a whopping $1,000 per day using YouTube Shorts. That's right, Shorts aren't just about fun videos anymore. They're your ticket to financial freedom. So, if you're excited to learn, hit that like button and let's dive right in. Segment 1: The Power of YouTube Shorts. Before we jump into the strategies, let's talk about why YouTube Shorts are a goldmine for content creators. With the explosive growth of short-form video content, YouTube Shorts have taken the platform by storm. These bite-sized videos are addictive, easy to create, and have the potential to go viral overnight, opening the doors to a massive audience. Segment 2: Finding your profitable niche. Step 1: Identifying your niche. To make $1,000 a day, you need a niche that resonates with your target audience. Think about what you're passionate about and what people love to watch. Fitness, cooking, life hacks, pranks. The possibilities are endless. The key is to choose a niche that you can consistently create captivating content for. Segment 3: Crafting compelling content. Now, let's craft those attention-grabbing shorts. Hook your viewers in the first few seconds with something unexpected or intriguing. It could be a quick teaser of what's coming or a mind-blowing fact. Remember, every second counts, so keep it snappy and exciting. Segment 4: Leveraging trends and challenges. Next up, trends and challenges. Keep an eye on what's trending in your niche and participate in challenges that align with your content. This not only keeps your videos fresh but also increases your chances of appearing on the Shorts Discover page. And guess what? More views mean more potential revenue. Segment 5: Optimizing monetization. Let's talk money. To hit that $1,000 per day mark, you'll want to maximize your monetization options. Make sure you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, so you can earn from ads and channel memberships. Additionally, cross-promote your other videos and products through your shorts to boost your overall income. Segment 6: Consistency and engagement. Consistency is key. Aim to post several shorts each day to increase your chances of getting noticed. And don't forget to engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and create a sense of community. The more engaged your viewers are, the more likely they are to support you. Segment 7: Analyzing and adapting. Last but not least, keep an eye on your analytics. Pay attention to which shorts are performing well and analyze why. Is it the topic, the style, or the timing? Use this data to refine your content strategy and keep pushing for even better results. And there you have it, folks. Your roadmap to making $1,000 per day on YouTube Shorts. Remember, it's not an overnight journey, but with passion, dedication, and these proven strategies, you're on your way to financial success. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our latest insights. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep rocking those shorts.